So today I built this. This is an ornithopter. It means that it doesn't have any like propulsion and lift. It uses these two helicopter blades to jutter back and forward to create that upward motion of lift. I'm very proud of this build, and at the end, me and someone from my Discord battle it to see how good it is, and he grades it from a scale of 1 to 10 on 3 different levels. If you want to be a part of videos like this, join my Discord because I do lots of community events. And I'm a small creator, so your voice will get heard if you do join the Discord. So I hope you enjoy it. So the other day, Professor Cognito showed me this. It is an ornithopter that uses helicopter blades spinning very fast to create a very fast upward lift, or not very fast upward lift, but create a very fast juttering speed which creates upward lift and allows it to fly. This is really cool, I think, and I want to be able to make it into something quite cool, so that's what we're going to be doing today. So the main idea of this is that when we press 1, there is, I actually don't know what that does. There is a duration of 0.6 on all of these little large hinges, and a pause of 0.6, so 0.06, so it goes back and forth very quickly. And there's also another one which just does the negative of that, so they go back and forth. With that one has a delay of 0.06, so it actively works to judder and create lift, because the way that helicopter blades work is that when they go back and forth, they create upward lift any direction, because that's how they work, so that they will always create upwards lift. That's how helicopters work, because there's not one way that a helicopter blade has to turn. So I'm just trying to look through my builds, see if we can take any inspiration from any of these. Like, we could just, you know, like upgrade this to have ornithopter, but this already has too much stuff in it, so I might have to create a new one from scratch. So I'm going to go and try and find some inspiration photos. So I have the reference image up, and I'm thinking that we should have, I'm thinking of how I'm going to build it, and I think the best way is to just build the body and then build all the mechanics of it so that we don't mess anything up. So I've started the build, and I think it's going to turn out quite nicely because we've got a good little piston glitch to push this kind of round front seated area up into the main engine area, if you know what I mean. So I'm basically going for, it's called an Ornithopter by Fred Gambino, which is my reference, and I'm just basically building now a tail light kind of system. Don't know what you call it, but we're just gonna add some tail light V2 maybe, or depending on what looks better, we might add a red neon. No, I think I like the tail lights more. So I've done a bit more building to just try and make it look good, and I think we're getting there. So I obviously haven't built the bottom, I'm mainly focused on the top for now. I have built the kind of top engine bit with some good tail lights at the back. They will look better once we're flying, but it flies okay so far ish, maybe. Yep, it does create some lift, which is positive. And yeah, we can just carry on designing this. I like how I've piston glitched some tubes, 1x1 tubes, into a 2x1 wedge piece, because I think that looked awesome, which could be quite interesting. So yeah, let me carry on with the build. So I've decided to change the size of the front of this. I want it to be a little bit bigger, so that will require a little bit of fiddling about with, which will be riveting, I can tell you. Okay, that's an interesting connection point for the piston. It says it's disconnected. This looks like where it should be connected, but it in fact does not connect there. It only connects here. Oh, it's fixed. I fixed it. That was weird. So what I'm doing here which I've learned from my background of doing planes a lot, is I'm doing a 0.17 piston glitch so that it gets into half of the block. So this connection point will be between these two connection points, so that, let's say if I want to put a tail here, which I'm going to put a tail here, it will be directly in the middle. And I've also added another one so that this is exactly in line with this, and this is exactly in line with this, so that I can actually have it like transitioning into the tail instead of just the random pistons on the tail. But this is a strange build where it doesn't really transition very nicely, so I think I'm just going to use the rounded inverted 1x2, just because I think that will look the best. Yeah, I'll have a play around with it. So the actual ornithopter has a circle at the end of it, and I'm just going to make that using the steering hinges, and I'm going to put an anchor pin at the end, so that when I do click that button, maybe that wasn't the best idea, because it does just get stuck on the ground. Yeah, there we are, that's a lot better. So now we have a little circle on the end, and now we can figure out a way to keep that in the build. Right. So with that, I think the kind of main body of the ornithopter is finished. So now we can go on to adding the blades, adding the controls, making it fly, adding all of the kind of more boring or exciting, depends on how you see it, bits of the build. But it's currently looking quite nice. I'm quite happy with how it's looking. So all we have to do is just make it better, really. So it looks like we're having some issues. Oh no, it wasn't. It was generally just randomly tweaking. Oh, it's the back. It's the back. Yes, right. I know what the problem is. Okay, weirdly enough, it was the little extra like detail with the helicopter things that was the problem. It wasn't like any of the piston glitches. It was just it didn't like how the it didn't like how the helicopter what are they called, helicopter wings worked. So yeah, this is working fine still. It's just it was bugging a little bit earlier, but it should be fine. I can replace all of these things, hopefully, because they looked great. I loved how these look. Yeah, so I can add them back. So yeah, they still look great. So I think I've done a decent job of making it controllable. So obviously it's not the final project, but it is very much drivable. Obviously it uses gyros because I'm not planning on making this non-gyro, because that would be pretty painful as there is no wings. But it flies pretty well. It's quite fun to fly, quite maneuverable, I say, as I almost crash. I think that's just a pilot error, but it's pretty good. And it can do everything. It can go like this, it can go like that for good flying, it can go like this for flying down and stuff. It's pretty good, if you ask me. I feel like I want to add some kind of bionic landing legs that like fold up and like stand up, like almost like some sort of insect, but I'm not sure, so they might tuck underneath it when it's not flying. I'll have a play with it. See, this is what I think is a huge problem when trying to do beat or trying to do anything. When something is powered by a gate that has got a 0.3 output, the steering hinge doesn't actually use the output at all if it's not 1. So if the output is 1, yes, the steering hinge will move, as you can see. But if the output is like 0.5, it it won't move at all, not even the tiniest amount. Yeah, rotating servos do work, but why don't steering hinges work? That is my question. It just doesn't make any sense. So I managed to do an alternative to the steering hinges, so I just did a little bit of play with servos and it's alright. So when I get off, they, you know, come back and fold in, so that's all good. So now I'm just going to build the back one and then we'll have pretty good working feet. So I think I have done a decent amount. Now I just need to finish it up really, and then I think it will be finished. So let's get to that. And yes, I did realise that I said, oh yeah, once I finish it up it'll be finished, but yep, it doesn't even matter. It's fine, it's fine. I meant to say that. That was planned. Everything was planned. I meant to say that. Okay. So now I think it is complete. I think I've done quite a good job at this, so we're just gonna fly it about. So obviously the landing gear comes up when it's told to. It flies. Oh wait, the tail's not working very well. There you are. So it all works. There's a circle tail, which is quite cool. The lights at the back work. And it all functions quite well. So here I'm with Trexer. He is someone from my Discord, which you can join when you click on my profile. And today he's going to be judging my build that you've just seen me build. So they are. What do you think of it on a scale of 1 to 10 for looks?
I mean, it does look quite nice, like the propeller, so they're not spinning but instead like flopping, if that makes sense.
Yeah. That's the.
That is a bit blocky.
Yeah. What do you, on a scale of 1 to 10? What do you rate the looks?
I mean, I'd say A6. There's not a lot of detail into it.
Yeah, that's fair enough. That's fair enough.
Like that's the only problem I really have with it.
Yeah.
It's a cool concept though.
Yeah. Right. And now, how do you rate it on maneuverability? You can fly it if you want.
Figure it out. One moment.
Yeah, that's fine. Well, it looks really buggy in camera mode when I'm looking at you. So from a scale of 1 to 10, what do you think?
I mean, like a 8 or 9.
8 or 9. That's pretty good. That's pretty good for maneuverability. Yeah. All right, let's get on to the 1v1. So, Trex, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right, let's go. 3, 2, 1, and battle. Oh, I was too far away to get that. Oh yes, I've got a hit. I've got a hit. Can you still fly? You're still flying.
I can. I did lose my tail though.
Yeah, your tail's gone, so you might be a little bit wobbly. This is sick though. I love how these look.
Yeah.
Oh, so close. Near miss.
Oh, that was close.
Oh, 180. That I saw that fly past. Right, I'm getting it. I'm gonna get you. You're too far away.
I don't think so.
Oh no! Oh no!
Oh.
One of my wings is gone.
Oh, that's nice.
It's intense. No. Oh, almost crashed into me. Yeah, melee. Oh, that's bad. That's bad. I'm actually kind of faster though. I'm not very stable. I'm not doing well. This might be it.
Oh, neither am I all of a sudden.
I'm not going up whatsoever. Oh, please. Oh no.
Did I get you?
Yes, you did. Yep, I'm done.
There.
Oh, that's 1-0 to Trexer. I think I'm just bad. I'm just bad at the game at this point. Right, you can repair.
GG.
Yep, right, so should we have another round? We'll do best of 3. So I really need to win this one, otherwise I'm just going to terribly lose. Right, on your marks, get set, go.
I'm ready.
Now, this is intense. Right, we're off. No, please, 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 please. No. I was so close to falling in the water straight away.
I think it will be way more interesting near the
Oh, yeah.
terrain.
I'm actually going to get... I'm not the best pilot.
Neither am I.
Okay, no, I've just
There we
got a
go.
head on. That is atrocious. I think my
Can you
my
still
gun's
fly?
gone. I can still fly, but I can't.
Oh,
Oh no.
there we go. I love this thing.
I think I'm just bad. I think I'm just bad. Right. Okay.
There we go.
This is winner takes all, even though I haven't won one, just because I want to still have a chance of winning. Winner takes all.
Okay.
Alright then. Let's get this.
Oh, we didn't start.
3, 2, 1,
Okay,
let's
I
go.
missed.
No way I
Oh,
haven't actually
that's
hit a
close.
single shot.
I mean, you hit me once.
Yeah, I hit you once, but like... I'm just gonna land, you know? Casual
Aw,
landing. Oh,
That's a shame.
right,
Sorry,
no,
I
that,
can-
that one doesn't
I
count.
can get out.
That one, oh no, you're fine. It does
Yeah,
count.
that was lucky.
I guess that's the bonus with the ornithopter. I think you can get out of water. I'm not going to test it.
Yeah, my blades were still over the water.
Yep, it's so good. I love this thing. It's not a very intense battle, but actually, I'd take... Oh. He's gone through the ring. He's just flexing now. No way that didn't
I
hit.
wish I didn't miss that. No, that was close. I got way too low to the ground.
Not that went through you. I'm sorry. What? Yes,
Ah, now
finally
you
a good
got me.
shot. Finally.
Not over yet.
Are you sure?
Okay, now it may be over. Wait. Yeah, it's over. Well done.
Oh, GG. Right, we'll have one last round. This will be deciding
GG.
the winner. One last round deciding the winner.
Okay.
Right. Are you repaired? Are you ready?
Okay, I'm ready.
Right, on your marks, get
On your
set.
mark.
Last round, let's go. I haven't got any locks. Oh, I've got you.
Oh,
I'm okay. I'm fine.
I'm fine.
I think I'm actually
Maybe
flying
I'm
better.
not fine. I'm fine. I did
Please.
lose one wing.
Reload. Yeah, I lost one wing, but I'm fine, I think. I just crashed into the ground because I'm an amazing pilot.
Oh, that was that a miss.
No, please, 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 please. I've lost half my build. My things are locking onto the wrong thing. Okay, I'm still flying.
That was close, I think.
Uh-oh. That's not good.
Oh no,
I'm still
that's
flying.
not good.
I'm still flying just with the space jets that are in me. Just about. My propellers aren't working at all. I'm just getting a little bit of lift when I go forward, so I need to go fast. Otherwise I will sink. Please. Please. I'm okay, I'm okay. These gyros are amazing.
Yeah, but I lost some of them.
Right, I think I can get you. Please. No!
No, I'll get you first.
I
Told you.
don't know how I'm still up in the air. Or both my propellers are gone. No, how did that not hit?
Oh,
No, you're in the water, please, please. This is for the win.
no, I'm not. It's fine.
No. Oh no. Well done, Traxler, you won.
There we go.
So overall, what do you think about my ornithopter or ornithopter, whatever you call it?
I absolutely love it.
Oh, that is so great.
I love this thing.
All right, thank you very much, Trexer, and thank you guys for watching. Join my Discord. It is in my profile, and I'll see you for the next one.